Hey, this is Creating Cards with Sherry. I'm Sherry, and I'm so glad that you've joined me today for my Simple Sunday video. Before we get to going on today's project, I just want to share a couple things with you that is happening with Stampin' Up. There are a couple products that Stampin' Up is going to do away with, and one of them is the red rubber stamps. And the reason for doing that is because they just don't, you can't get the sources to make this kind of stamp anymore. So they are going to do away with that. And then the other um, thing that they're looking at, they are going away with the Stampin' Write markers. And the reason for that is the sales really aren't there where they would like them to be. And they were actually purchased purposely to color on those red rubber stamps. So, because the two go hand in hand, they decided it was time to do away with the markers as well. The great thing is that you can get Stampin' Up's journaling pen, which is like the marker. It has a fine line, and you can sign your name in your notes and also, outline anything in black that you need to and that sort of thing. So that will be around and that you can buy um, online. Okay, today's project is um, one of our kits called Brighten Your Day. And if you go either online to the online exclusives or the kits, you will see it. It's the first thing on the list that you can get it. So this is really easy to find. It comes in 3 different cards, a purple, an aqua, and a tan. And I'm going to do the aqua one today so that you can see how this is done. There's no stamping involved. Everything is provided for you. It comes with tons of punch outs, little messages to punch out, glue dots, Stampin' Dimensionals, and some twine. All right, so we're going to get going and create this card. This is a landscape card. So I'm going to go ahead and get it prepared. And then this is the punch out that I need. When you do these types of punch outs, they are very delicate, and so you have to be really careful with them because if you don't, you can easily tear them. And I have done that before, and it's not fun, very discouraging. So just be careful when you take them out if your kit has, some of these delicate punch outs to do. Okay, now we're stuck. There we go. Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to flip this over and my directions show me all these black dots. Those black dots mean that that's where a glue dot goes. So I'm going to go ahead and put my glue dots on these birds, this image. Mm, Okay, almost done. Got 2 more to put on. Down here and over this way. All right, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the paper on these dots. I'm sorry, I didn't realize I had it down too low. There we go. Okay, so on my image, I put all the glue dots that I needed, as you can see, and then I just removed the paper from those. And now I'm going to put this on my card. It pretty much fits end to end here. And I'm just going to put that down. And then I'm going to take my little message and I'm going to do it a little different than what they tell you to. The they try to get you to do this figure eight with the string and then attach it to the glue dots and then it'll all go down right there for you. But I always have trouble with those. I don't know why I cannot do those figure eights. So I'm going to do it a little differently. I put two of the Stampin' Dimensionals on. I am going to put my message right there. And I'm going to take a blue dot from my roll this time. And I'm going to put that on the back of my bow and place that right there. Oh, it's so much easier for me. Okay, and if I want to, I can cut off the end a little bit, and so it's a little bit shorter. But I've got my card, and it's ready to go with its beautiful envelope. Well, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and you have a great weekend, and I will see you next Tuesday for my Tickle Tuesday video. Bye now.